In this part, I will discuss conditional formatting in Google Sheets. So conditional formatting is used when we want to format the cells or rows based on particular condition. So this is my card data, and here I will explain conditional formatting. So first of all, let's select the data, and now go to the view. So go to the format and go to the conditional formatting, and here you can see the format rules, format cells if, and here you will pass the condition. So there are so many conditions: if it is empty, it is not empty; if the text contains, text does not contain, text starts with, text ends with, text is exactly, date is before. Yes, there are so many options that you can try. So let's select this option, text is exactly, and here you will enter the value. For example, if I want to format the only cars which are let's say city, so just enter here city, and you can see these cells have been highlighted. So I can also change the formatting style. So just select here, and you can select this color, and you can select text color, let's say white. You can give any type of formatting you want. So just click, even you can bold the text or italic the text, and click on done. So this way you can highlight the cells based upon particular condition. You can see all the cells which are having a value city are highlighted, are formatted. What if I want to format the whole row based on a particular condition? So just select this data, go to the format, conditional formatting, and just select this, and here I want to format. Just select the custom formula here, and here just type is equals to, and you can change the formatting here and click on done, and you can see all the rows which are having city values are, all the rows are formatted. You can add another for another rule. Just go to the format and conditional formatting, add another rule, and here I will pass a custom formula, and here I will pass um, let's say okay. And now I want to highlight all the rows which are having value Innova. And I will change the color. You can see all the rows which are having value Innova are highlighted. So there is only you can see all the rows which are having value Innova are highlighted. So this way you can format the complete row based upon particular condition, and you can add as many rules as you want. It's very simple. Now I will explain another type of formatting. For that I am changing the sheet. So this is the data of student, and in which you can see the name of the student, study hours of the student, and grade of the students. And I want to highlight, format the rows which are having grade value. So just click this column, go to the format, conditional formatting, and here I will explain color scale. So just click color scale, and here I will pass a midpoint value to number, let's say 50, and I can change the color. So minimum value color is, let's say, this one, and for maximum value you can, so you can select different colors and click on done. And what does it mean? It means if the students are having values near 50, the color will be green. So if the students are having value, uh, let's say minimum value, I can pass a number here, let's say 33, and if the students are having value, let's say near 33, the color will be yellow. And if the students are having maximum value, let's say 100, the color will be red. So this way you can see the different type of colors on each of the cell. So it's very simple, and even you can change the colors from here. You can select any type of color combination from here. So green to yellow to red, you can select. You can see if the value is near the minimum point, that is the 33 grade, 33 marks, you can see the color will be green. And if the value is near 50, the color will be yellow. And if the value is near the 100, the color will be red. And you can see the 97, the color is you can see the reddish. And if the grade is 74, the color is light, if we compare with this. So this way you can apply color scale options. Even we can apply color formatting on the dates also. So let's go to the another sheet, and you can see the data, name of the student, and let's say date of admission. And I want to format the values based upon some conditions. So just select this cell, go to the format and conditional formatting and format rules, format cells if, and here you can see the date option. If the date is before, and here you can pass any date. So you can see the predefined options also, date is before, today, tomorrow, yesterday, past, weeks. And here even you can pass the exact date. And if the date is before, if the date is before 1 January 2016, you can see the color green. Even you can change the formatting style from here and click on done. And let's add another rule. And if the date is after, you can see if the date is after 2016, then the color will be, let's say, any color you can choose. So the color will be this one. So you can select any colors. So you can change the colors, you can change the formatting styles from here. So it's very easy. Okay, and click on done. And even you can see there are some empty cells, and even I can apply the conditional formattings on the empty cells as well. So just select the column and add another rule, and format cells if is empty. And you can change the color to, let's say, red. So just click on done. So this way you can apply formatting based upon conditions. So I have applied each and every type of formatting, how you can format a particular cell, how you can format a particular row. Even then I explained the color scale options, and then how you can apply formatting to the dates. And you can try different type of rules and different type of conditions to get better understanding of conditional formatting in Google Sheets. Thank you.